Hello, my friends. This is a quick video of how to upgrade to plan number two and why would you do it. So once you upgrade to plan number two, you will be able to find local hosts and stay with them around the world, and they can provide you different services like airport pickup. You can stay with them in Airbnb. They can show you around the city. Same with if you have number two plan, you will be able to practice. The language you want to learn, or find someone to just practice and speak second or third language you want to learn, as well as very important to see reports when you have just free plan number one. You will be able only to see prices, but if you upgrade to plan number two, which is just $1.98, you will be able to see uh, reports like healthcare, pollution, traffic, and crime, which are very important. So how would you upgrade? You will click manage your subscription, okay? And then you will click update plan. You will go down, you see plan number two. You will click continue. And then if promo code were given to you, so you will click here and you will insert promo code and click apply. All right, and then you will click confirm. Okay, it will ask you for the card number. It will not charge your card only after 30 days or 90 days or whatever promo code you have, and you can always downgrade to plan number one and just use the free plan. Okay, let us know, guys, if you will have any questions. We use Stripe, one of the biggest in US membership and payment solution. It's secure. Our website, as you can see, also secure. Okay. Let us know if you will have any questions. Thank you. Bye bye.